If you're struggling to get better audio on your videos that are filmed on your phone, I have found a solution, and it's hidden in this secret black box. I'm joking. This is actually a really cool lavalier mic, and it has a special feature that I'm excited to share with you. But first, I have the fan running, and I'm just recording the raw audio from a phone. And yeah, you hear my voice, but there's a lot of empty space here. It's reverbing, and there's also an exhaust. I can show you in a few minutes. That exhaust turns on, and then noise from the outside. But here we have the PQRPQ. I know that's a very weird name, but it's actually, see that? So I'm gonna show you what all that is, and then we're gonna connect it to the phone. But be sure to stick around to the end, because I'm gonna show you a special feature that's pretty much gonna blow your mind, and I think it's gonna solve your audio issues. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so here's the receiver for it. Just right here. Very important, there is a power button on the back. You gotta make sure you turn that on, so you get it to look like that. That means it's paired. I mean, that little green light means it's paired to the actual mic, which I have right here. It's in my hand. It says TX on it, and you actually get two of these, so which is pretty cool. But let me show you real quick. See that exhaust fan right there? When that turns on, it gets noisy in here, and the room is very large, so there's a lot of reverb, and I do have that going on. You see the red light. I'm doing this on purpose because I want to show you what the raw audio is, and then when we connect this, we're going to have a little magic happen with this, and I'll show you the special feature which this does, which is going to be a game changer. So if you're struggling like me, and it's a noisy area, and you're trying to film videos and you're struggling, this is going to be a major difference. So let's connect it, and then I'm going to show you what it sounds like. Let's go. Okay, so we have successfully connected the microphone. You should be able to hear my voice just fine, and this will work for most situations. But I left the fan on for a purpose. I want to show you the special features that it has, which are right here. Okay, so the first one is pretty cool. It's a noise canceling feature, and that's the one that I most like out of the whole thing. The second one is kind of an affecting, but I'm not sure. You know, I'll show it to you anyways, but first let's listen to the noise canceling feature. That's the best part in my opinion. Okay, so are you ready? All you have to do is press it once and watch what happens. Okay, so now you should be able to hear my voice, but the fan noise and the room noise should be gone. That exhaust fan should be done, and you should just be able to hear my voice. Audio check 1 2 3, audio check 1 2 3, and it's represented by this one light. So that's one press. Let's turn it off by the one press. Now you're back to just regular mic, which is just fine. And if we want to turn it back on, see, now it's gone. Hopefully you should just be able to hear my voice. All right, here's that other feature. If you want to try it, there is a feature that adds an effect to your voice. So here it is. You do 3 presses, and now you should hear like a chorus effect or delay effect. Audio check 1 2 3. That's if you're a podcaster and you want to add some kind of crazy effect. But hey, if you want to try this out, I have a link for it in the description. I think it's a pretty cool mic. Oh, before I go, I want to show you that it does clip. It does clip on like that. It's a little bit bigger than the Holy Land Lark. Oh, by the way, if you want to check that out, I have it right here. But there it is. That's exactly what it looks like. And it's got the noise canceling feature, which is one of the best things that I've seen. So, all right, I'll see you soon.